everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cayce. So, as you can tell, I am not there tonight. I am actually moving to my new homestead. Well, in the process. Right now I'm in the process. This is pre-recorded. And I know most of y'all are probably expecting that second $1 meal video, but we're going to do that next week. What I wanted to sit and talk to you about very quickly on this Cooking with Cayce is basically shopping for a year. Most of y'all know, if you've followed me for a while, that I'm moving to my new homestead, and then I've talked briefly about wanting to save money by shopping once a year. And I know most of y'all will think, Cayce, how in the world can you do that? Well, I hope you go and join me through these next couple of cooking cases. I'm going to be talking about that. How do you even prepare to shop once for a whole entire year? How do you prepare your homestead? How do you prepare your finances? How do you prepare your brain space to do this? And I'm excited about it because you can save a lot of money doing this. Now, I do have a free download of how to prepare for this on my link tree. But if you are watching this Cooking with Cayce on the replay, or you can go to our YouTube, the Around the Hay Bale YouTube channel and click on the solo Cooking with Cayce video for this, and I'll leave the link in there. So you can download this to be prepared to do it with me. I challenge you, even try if you're only doing it once a quarter. So that's once every 3 months. It should be fun, and we should save a lot of money together. I miss y'all. And Sandi, Monica, love y'all. I will see y'all next week. Bright and bushy tail after moving. So y'all, it's time to get back to Hey Bale Friends. I hope you join me though on this Cooking with Cayce challenge. Click the link down below and we can go ahead and start saving together.